This is Mohammed Naresh Reddy from Derivation Institute. First of all, I would like to say thanks for subscribing my channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel for latest concept of mathematics and Vedic mathematics and all multiplication tricks. So I hope you will support me by subscribing my channel, and also please like it and share it to your friends. So as a part of EMAT program, already we have been learning many tricks, many multiplication tricks and Vedic math that we have been learning. So in this video also, in this lesson also, I am going to reveal a secret, which is the important Vedic math trick. So here nowadays, all the students are facing the problems with the fractions. They can solve easily whenever the problem in numericals. But whenever there are fractions in the problem, they will be get some fear about it here. So that here I am teaching now a important and a beautiful technique, which we can use to add or subtract fractions now. So by using this technique, we can save our time. So those who prepare for competitive examination, all external examinations in school days and in college days, in even for those who prepare for government examinations also, they can use this technique here. So very important technique. I think you are going. I think you won't miss it. So please watch the video till the end. Compulsory, you will get a surprise and you will get excitement. Thank you. Let us start our lesson now. Thank you. So today we are going to addition of fractions, which is called butterfly method. Which is called butterfly method. This method we use to add or subtract fraction now. Okay, let us see what is butterfly method, what technique has been involved to add fractions. Let us see now. Now let us take one example, that is 3 by 4 plus 7 by 5 is how much. Let us add these two fractions now. So let's see. Let us add now. See, my dear friend, see. Here, see, as for the butterfly method, no need of, as a general method actually, for example, let me explain one general method. First, general method to add and to subtract the fractions, first we will find the LCM of uh, denominators of each fraction. So, but here no need of finding LCM. No need of finding LCM. Got the point? So then how we can solve this problem, then you see that. Okay. See, so first of all, as a first step, then what we will see, we will multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of second fraction. Means the numerator of first fraction is 3 and the denominator of second fraction is 5. Now 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is nothing but the 15. Yeah, I'm writing here. 15. This is the first step. In the second step, we are going to multiply same thing. So we are going to multiply the numerator of second fraction with denominator of first fraction. Got the point? So first we have multiplied numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction, and the second step we are multiplying with the numerator of second fraction with the denominator of first fraction. So as there is 7 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator, 7 fours are 28. 28. And what we have to see, we need to do that. The third step, we need to multiply the both the denominators. We need to multiply the both the denominators. Got the point? So yeah, denominators are 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20. Got the point? And the next step is here in the first one we have got the 15 and the second one we have got the 28, and as there is a plus symbol then we need to add them. Just add. Now 15 plus 28 is nothing but 43, and already we have got the 20 as the product of two denominators, so here I'm writing here 20. This is the final answer. Simple. Just we need to multiply numerator with the denominator, numerator with the denominator, and both the denominators. Only just simply we need to add. Here, in the final answer, if there is any cancellation, we can cancel. Means we can express the terms in the numerator and denominator in the simple terms, in least terms also, by cancelling them. But as our present problem, there is no cancellation. That's why the cancellation is not possible here. That's why 43 by 20. What's the point? This is simple, very simple. Within 5 seconds or 10 seconds, we can solve this problem now. I think you are excited. Okay. Do you like this video? Do you like this technique? So let us see one more problem now. Yeah, now let us take the subtraction now. So for example, I am taking 5 by 9 minus, I am taking 3 by 7. That's it. Let us subtract this two fractions. The same here, what do we do? We need to multiply numerator with the denominator. Now, here 5 sevens are 35. And same here also numerator with the denominator. 9 threes are 27. Okay. And third step, what do we do? We need to multiply both the denominators. 9 sevens are 63. Okay. You're only just, as I told you, what do you do? Here 35 minus 27. 35 minus 27 is nothing but 8, and by answer is 63. So here also the cancellation is not possible. So 8 by 63. Got the point? Yeah, but then you can answer doubt here. Sir, what is this? You said it is butterfly method. Where is the butterfly? Yeah, well, just see. Yeah, see, I'm putting like this. Look like butterfly. So that's why it is called as butterfly method. Got the point? I think you like very much this video. Okay, so and such type of concepts and sort of techniques I'm going to teach in future. That's why for latest concept, please subscribe my channel and please like it and please share it. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me in the WhatsApp 7989804600. What's the point? And thank you very much. So thank you for watching this video, this lesson. So please subscribe my channel and like the video and share it to your friends. Thank you very much. See you soon.